Wow, our day is finally here. I am about to marry the most beautiful woman in the world.
I feel like I'm walking with eyes as blind as a man without a lantern in a coal mine. What would I do without you? My imagination gets the best of me and I'm trying to hide, lost at sea. What would I do without you?
A few years ago, before I ever met you, I wrote out a prayer praying for my spouse and prayed that he would have a gentle and loving spirit and would be honest, patient, and giving to others. God gave me all that and more than I could possibly imagine in you, and I am so thankful you are mine.
Marriage is pointing to something bigger. This is a beautiful moment. I mean, the sun is literally setting on the beach at your wedding, and yet it's pointing to something even more beautiful, a life to come. The work of God. I can now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
So you got the morning, I got midnight. You are patient, I'm always on time. Oh, what would I do without you? You got your sunshine, I got rain clouds. You got hope, I got my doubts. So what would I do without you? What would I do without you? Oh, what would I do without you?